back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to upload guys how can we increase brightness in our Technophone friends. You want to increase guys brightness in your Technophone, so friends you can increase. And guys how can you use guys your phone brightness setting in your Technophone in this video friends I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends I am going to tell you, if you need my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends, open your phone setting to increase your phone brightness. And guys you can see guys this type of setting. Guys click on guys display and brightness setting friends. Guys click on guys your brightness level. So as you can check guys your 95% brightness level. Guys you want to increase into 100%, you can increase. And guys you want to decrease from here, guys you can see guys 43, 45, like 60, 90 and 96 like that. Guys you can increase and decrease brightness. Guys you can use from here your brightness setting. Guys you can check your brightness level in your Technophone from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to increase and decrease brightness in our Technophone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.